Hi everyone. Okay, today we want to look at addition and subtraction in fraction. Okay, addition and subtraction in fraction. Now, before you plus or minus a fraction, you have to make sure that the bottom number are the same. So you can see that all the bottom or the denominator, they are all 10. So you can plus and minus. So when they are the same, you can plus. So 9 plus 7 is 16. And then we minus 8 over 10. 16 minus 8 is 8. And then you have to simplify it. Okay, divide 2 because they are even numbers. 8 divided by 2 is 4. 10 divided by 2 is 5. Okay, so remember to simplify it. Okay, let's look at example 2. Let's plus first. 2 is the round number. The top 1 plus 5 is 6. The bottom, just copy 7. Then we minus 2. Now we just look at the round number. So 2 minus 2 is 0. So 0, you don't have to write 0. You only write the fraction 6 over 7. So that is your final answer. Okay, let's look at example 3. Now you can see that the bottom number or the denominator, they are all different. So before you plus and minus, make sure you make them the same first. So the smaller number, you can change into the bigger number. So 5, you can times 2 to become 10. 2, you can times 5 to become 10. So the bottom times 2, the top also times 2. The bottom times 5, the top also times 5. So the first fraction is already 10, so you don't have to change. The second fraction, 5 times 2 is 10. The top 1 times 2 is 2. The third fraction, 2 times 5 is 10. 1 times 5 is 5. So you can see that all the denominators are 10. 10, 10, 10. Then you can minus. 3 minus 2 is 1. Okay, 3 minus 2 is 1, 1 over 10. And then you plus 5. Okay, you plus 5 over 10. So you get 6 over 10. Then you simplify, divided by 2, divided by 2. 6 divided by 2 is 3. 10 divided by 2 is 5. So the final answer is 3 over 5. Okay, last example. 9 minus 2, 2 over 3. Now remember we learned in the previous lesson, 9, you break it down. Okay, 9, you break it down into 8 and 1. Okay, but this 1 here, we change to the same fraction. So 3 and 4, you can see that the second and the third is 3 and 4. So the same number we can change to 12. 3 times 4 is 12. 4 times 3 is 12. So we want to change to 12. So this one here, just now the 8 plus 1 here, you also change to 8 and okay, you can change to 3 over 3 first so that we can minus the second fraction. So you can see here, 9 is changed to 8 and 3 over 3. Remember that the 3 over 3 equals to 1. Huh? So 8 plus 1 is 9. So we minus the first fraction first. So round number 8 minus 2 is 6. The top 3 minus 2 is 1. And then the bottom is 3. So now when you come to the second fraction, you must change to 12. Because 3 and 4, they are different. So 3 you times 4 to become 12. 4 you times 3 to become 12. The bottom times 3, the top times 3. The bottom times 4, the top times 4. So the 6 is still the same. 3 times 4, the bottom, 12. 1 times 4, 4. Next, 4 times 3, 12. 1 times 3, 3. So 6 plus nothing is 6. The top 4 plus 3 is 7. The bottom is 12. So the final answer is 6, 7 over 12.